So I'm going to use this anemometer to measure the airflow rate through different registers in the HVAC system, because I think it seems that some are delivering much more air than the others. So let's see. So right now, as you can see, it is showing 0, and I'll place it at the same spot on all registers here. So it has a flow rate of around 1 meters per second. Let's check other registers. So it is within one room. The other register is showing 0.7. Let's go to the other one. This is also 0.7. Okay. Let's go to the other side. So this is the register right next to the main door, and it is showing 3.4, 3.5, 3.4. Okay, let's see other registers. Let's see this one. So it is registering 0.2. Let's take it here. Let's see in this one. Actually, it is so low that it is not even registering it. I can feel some air is there, but not getting registered. Okay, this is the breakfast room. Let's go to the morning room. So the morning room is around 0.6. Let's go back to the breakfast. Yeah, the other went. The same. Okay. So as you can see, from one end of the house, which was 3.5, the other end is 0. So definitely the air needs balancing. So let's see downstairs. So now I've come to the basement, and let's see what is the air on this register. I can feel it with my hand, but it is showing 0 because it is so less. Okay, so now I am on the other register, which is on the other end of the basement. So it's also showing 0. Very little airflow. Okay, let's go to other registers. So this is the powder room register. So all those registers on the front end of the house, they are reading much higher as compared to the other end. I'm in the mudroom and it is reading around 0.1 meters per second. So basically the basement and the first floor are having pretty serious airflow distribution issues. So let's get this addressed. After this, I will check it on the top floor also.